With machine learning, computers are affecting our lives more today than ever before, from diagnosing patients to driving cars, to influencing hiring and criminal sentencing. But these machine learning-based systems can also fail, suggesting medical treatments that could be fatal or making decisions that reflect racist, sexist, and otherwise unfair biases. One of the root causes of these misbehaving systems is the way that machine learning algorithms are created. Today, machine learning researchers are the designers of machine learning algorithms, which they provide to users such as doctors, companies, or other researchers. These users provide the algorithm with data that it uses to make predictions or decisions that influence people. For example, how to treat a medical patient or whether to hire someone. Right now, the user of the algorithm must ensure that the algorithm does not exhibit undesirable behavior, such as discriminating against or hurting people. However, while the user may be an expert in their field and may know what safety or fairness constraints they want, they may not have the expertise in machine learning or statistics to convey these constraints to the algorithm. In our paper, titled Preventing Undesirable Behavior of Intelligent Machines, presented in the November 22, 2019 issue of Science, we propose a new framework for designing machine learning algorithms. This new framework shifts the burden of ensuring that the algorithm is well behaved from the user of the algorithm to the designer of the algorithm. In this framework, the designer provides an interface that allows the user to easily define undesirable behaviors that would undermine fairness or safety. The designer's algorithm now has to be smarter than before. It needs to understand the user's definition of undesirable behavior, reason about what would cause this undesirable behavior, and avoid that behavior with high probability. Algorithms designed using our framework are called Seldonian algorithms, an homage to a character in Isaac Asimov's science fiction novels, the Foundation series. Seldonian algorithms empower their users by giving them more control, enabling them to ensure that machine learning algorithms do not misbehave. But is it even possible to create algorithms that are so smart that they can reason about undesirable behavior and avoid it? To show that it is, we created several. We used Seldonian algorithms and standard machine learning algorithms to predict student GPAs at a university from their application materials, while avoiding sexist behavior. This plot shows how much each algorithm over-predicted the GPAs of men on average, and how much they under-predicted the GPAs of women on average, for standard machine learning algorithms and algorithms designed using our framework. Our algorithms successfully avoided the sexist behavior exhibited by the standard algorithms. In our paper, we show how the user could use different definitions of fairness and compare to other fairness-aware machine learning algorithms. We also applied our algorithms to simulated type 1 diabetes treatment using several examples of how the user, here a medical researcher, might define undesirable behavior. These definitions include requiring the algorithm to only decrease the frequency of dangerously low blood sugar levels, called hypoglycemia, while trying to avoid high blood sugar levels. It is our hope that Seldonian algorithms designed by the machine learning community will not only enable the responsible use of machine learning for current applications, but that they will open up new applications for which the use of machine learning was previously deemed too risky. You can read more about our work in the November 22 issue of Science.